Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Dataframes in Pandas. In this video, we will learn what Dataframes are, how to create them, and how to manipulate them using Pandas library in Python. What is a dataframe? A dataframe is a two-dimensional table-like data structure where each column can have different data types. It is similar to a spreadsheet or a SQL table, where we can store and manipulate data easily. Creating a dataframe. Let's create a simple data frame to understand how it works. First, we need to import the Pandas library in Python. Then we can create a dictionary with column names as keys and values as a list of data points. For example, let's create a data frame of some popular programming languages and their rankings in 2021. Import Pandas as PD. Data. Bas, language. Python, Java, JavaScript, C's, PHP, rank, 2, 3, 4, 5. DF, meter, PDD, data frame, data. Print, DF. This will output the following data frame. Column 1 is index, column 2 is language, and column 3 is rank. Manipulating data frames. Now, let's learn how to manipulate data frames. We can perform various operations such as selecting specific columns, filtering rows based on conditions, sorting, and merging data frames. For example, we can select a specific column by using the column name, print df language. This will output where we will get the result for JUCT column language, name, language, dtype, object. We can filter rows based on conditions, such as selecting only those languages with a rank less than 3, print df rank 3. This will be the output. That's all for now on Dataframes in Pandas. We covered a lot, including what Dataframes are, how to create them, and how to